guys, I wanted to share a cute little project that I did. I'm not sure which video will go up, this one or my other one, but I filmed another video from the larger project that I made with this Die Cuts with a View Bright Blooms paper pad. I made those large notebook covers, but then this collection also has these tiny little 2x3 cut aparts, and I had a bunch of 2x3 index card scraps from my 3x3 paper or mini notebooks that I make. And I also have this small cinch wire that is honestly, it's too small for me to use with the larger mini notebooks that I make because those get a little chunky. And so I just kind of need to use it up anyway. So all that led me to make these cute little mini notebooks. Like, they're so cute. I love them. So anyway, yeah, I did round the corners using my crocodile because I thought that would be cute. And each one has about 30, it has 30, I counted, sheets. And I just did the inside and the outside. And the other thing is, for a couple of these, I used some chipboard scraps that I had. But then I got this craft cardstock from Hobby Lobby. And it says it's 110 pound, like heavyweight, but it's more. It is like borderline chipboard. I saw Little Brit and Co. describe it as a cereal box, which that's pretty accurate. And so then I used that for the rest of them. And let me see if you can really tell a difference. Let's see, which one do I know? Okay, so this one was made with chipboard, and this one was made with the like heavyweight cardstock. So they're really sturdy with this, and which is great because you double mat, and with the glue, you know, it's just sturdy. So that is also nice because they're so little. I don't feel like they need to be crazy sturdy with like the chipboard. Anyway, so yeah, these two are the same. Love is all you need. And I was just using the scraps that I had. So these two are the same, Bloom and Grow. These two have the same cut apart, but different papers. So this one is just blue, and this one is like was a colorful floral. And then these ones are so cute. Slay the day. And then I ran out of this paper, so I just used some blue. But here is my other thought. Now let me see if I can find it, because everything is a mess. But I have these charms. And I really would like to add charms to these as well, because I think that will be just so stinking cute. Oh, anyway, sorry about that. I thought it would be really cute to add little charms, which I still need to buy since apparently I can't find the ones that I did buy. But yeah, I thought it would be super cute to have little charms on each of these, just because they're like mini, and that would just be like a little something you can do to elevate them. And I thought these would be perfect for craft fairs because they're just like little. It was using scraps. I'll probably be able to sell them for pretty cheap, and they're just adorable. Like, I just love all the mini things. So anyway, tiny little notebooks, and such a good way to use up your 2x3 scraps. If you make 3x3 mini notebooks, it is a great way to use them up. Anyway, that was everything. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think. I was also thinking, so like a little charm, and then stick a mini pen through this and sell it as a little kit. Let me know what you think a good price point for these was. I know they're small, but they do use like a lot of supplies, and like the cinch is always a little bit time consuming. So I was thinking somewhere between $2 to $3, which I just have a hard time trying to decide pricing because, like, realistically, it's small. Like, I would want to sell it for cheap, but I feel like $1 is too little, and even $2, I don't know, maybe $2, maybe $2.50, maybe like 2 for $5 instead of $3. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Input is always nice. I'm sure it depends on like the area you're into, so I could use all the input I could get. I think I already said bye, but now for real, bye.